Support my daughter.
That's why I'm here.
God bless you.
The parking lot at Nederland Hardware Supply Store was full of people showing support for Kristen Paris and her family during this Link sale.
This moment here is a celebration of her life. So many people came out. She would have loved it.
Police say his teenage daughter was killed by a drunk driver.
Amazing how many people you find out have gone through what we're going through right now. It's needless, it's senseless, but there's a lot of them out there. And it just makes me wonder, when are we going to wake up?
Losing a child to a drunk driver is something he doesn't want anybody else to experience.
We got to change the drinking and driving laws. We got to change our mentality against drinking and driving personally, on a personal level, for every single person out there.
Do you have any more links, you guys? Any more links?
Jerry Villalobos was one of Kristen Paris's best friends and wanted to show his support.
At first, we were going to donate money to the website, and then we came up with this link sell. She had me start calling people, and then the next day we were buying everything and talking to other people about it. And once we got permission from the family, we just hit it off. We blew up Facebook and everything else.
He, along with other friends, created the hashtag Justice for Kristen and hope people stop drinking and driving.
We just hope that he gets everything he deserves, and we just hope that there's justice.
18 years old, full life ahead of her. So we thought.
A life her family plans to celebrate, just like Kristen Paris would have wanted them to.
Dad, I don't want a funeral. I want a party. I want people to celebrate my life. So we're having a life celebration after the graveside over at the Church of Jesus, and we're going to use her iPod for her music. And
in Nederland, Sarai Demeen, KFDM 6 News.